Good morning children, welcome back to social class. We already finished which lesson? Block 10 Festivals of India. Now we are going to start our new lesson today. So before going to start our new lesson, just give me answer. Which is your favorite food? Yeah, some may like biryani, puri, some may like dosa, some may like chapati, right? So while eating these all your favorite foods, have you ever thought all these favorite foods comes from where? How our mothers will make them? Yeah, yes. So we can't get directly from these things from the market, right? We have to make them with the mixtures of different kind of pulses or grains. So while eating all these things, have you ever thought how exactly we started growing all these pulses and grains which are helpful to make these delicious dishes like biryani, chapati, puri, which helps to cook our food, which are the main ingredients of our food? Have you ever thought how exactly we started growing crops? Okay, today we are going to see how we started growing crops in the lesson, in our new lesson, that is Block 40 Types of Food. And today our LP1 is History of Cultivation. Cultivation is nothing but growing crops, Nana. So today we are going to see that how exactly we started these growing crops. So before that, growing crops we known as early humans. We known as early humans, where we don't know anything. We are just like equal to the animals. We just followed the animals how they used to do. We just followed the animals and we did the same things like animals. And after that we started hunting the animals for our food. After that we started eating the fruits, the berries or the nuts from the forest by following the animals, like by seeing the monkeys. We started collecting the food and eating the food from the forest, like collecting the fruits or berries, and after that we started the hunting animals. So this is how our lifestyle before, when we are early humans. So we used to collect the food from the forest. That's why we called as gatherers, collectors and gatherers. Early humans known as gatherers and hunters. Why? Because we used to hunt animals for our food. That's why early humans used to call as hunters, and we used to collect the food from the forest. We used to collect the food like in gathering. Like we used to gather the food like that. That is the reason early humans also called as gatherers. So why we used to collect this food, why we used to gather these food items? Because at that time early humans don't know how to grow the crops. That's why they simply followed the animals, how they used to do to find a food. If it is a big animal, the big animal will hunt a small animal to eat. Like that only we started hunting small animals, and by observing the monkeys how they picking the fruits from the trees, they started eating the fruits. We also started picking the fruits from the trees and we started eating them. So this is how exactly our lifestyle. Then how we started growing these crops? What the biggest change of our lives which turned from hunters to gatherers to new humans to grow cropping, to how we change it to grow crops. Okay, maybe there is no exact theory how these early humans started growing crops. Maybe have you ever thought that in summer what we eat mostly? Mangoes. After some days when you eat mango and when you throw that seed of mango, have you ever observed that small plant will come out from the mango? It might be happens in our lives a lot of times. I also observed one small mango plant came out from my backyard of my house. So it happens a lot of times. So same thing, they might also observe the same thing when they ate some fruits and they throw seeds on near to the river. They might have observed that small plants are coming out from these seeds. So then they got idea to grow the crops, because every time if they have to hunt the animals or if they have to gather the fruits, nuts and berries, they have to roam the forest and they have to move from one place to another. So this kind of a thing, maybe sometimes they feel very hard and sometimes they used to get tired also. So when they observe this thing that small plants are coming from the seeds, they might have got interest and they started observing these things, and then they started growing crops. Okay, then they started growing crops. So one thing they have understood, that to grow crops they must need water. So only which seeds have grown, the seeds which are near to the river bank, that crops only have grown. So that the thing they have understood, that to grow any seed, another important thing is water. So they started living near the river banks and they started growing crops. That's how the early human lives changed into as our human lives. We started growing crops. So let's see one more time what we have learned in this lesson. First thing, who are we? We are early humans, and to eat our food, what we did, we hunt animals, we started gathering foods like berries, and we started plucking fruits from the trees, and other things like eating some herbs and some special leaves in the forest. This is the lifestyle of the early humans. They depend on the forest, they depend on the animals. By hunting animals, they started eating and collecting the food from the forest. After that, they started growing crops. How they started growing crops? By observing the seeds, how the seed germination we call it as. If any plants are coming out from the seeds, we call it as a seed germination. Might be they have observed the seed germination, how the small plants are coming out from these seeds. So they started growing crops. So another thing they have observed, that only not every seed started growing crops. Not every seed started growing as a crop or growing as a small plant. Only those seeds grown which are near to the river bank. So second thing they might be understood, that they need water to grow as a plant. So these two things they have understood with a clarity. So they started living near the river banks and they started growing crops. And what is the main change after growing crops they got in their life means, before what they used to do, they used to roam in the forest for food from one place to another, to hunt the animals, to chase the animals. They have to run along with the animals and they have to move from one place to another. There is no fixed place to live in. But when they started growing crops, they started living near the river banks, because it is not possible. At the time they don't know how to carry the water up to the crops fields, right? At the time they don't know even about the fields. So they just started throwing the seeds on the river banks and they just observe them how they are growing. Okay, so they started living near the river banks by staying near caves or by staying on the trees. They started growing crops. When they started growing crops, also they started living in one place. That is the major changes in the human lives when they started growing crops. What are the major two changes? One thing, they started living in one place and they started growing crops. When they started growing crops, they also started whatever the crops which they needed to eat, they started that only, like growing vegetables or growing some kind of a rice or pulses. They started growing that kind of a plants or that kind of a crops only. So this is how we humans started growing crops. Let's see one more time on the board, Nana. So where did early humans find food? Like hunting animals, gathered nuts, fruits and berries, moved from one place to another and collected food from forests, like plucking the trees, berries, nuts and eating some leaves and herbs, right? After that, how early humans started growing food? They might have seen that some small plants are coming out from the seeds. That what we call it as seed germination, right? So they might have seen this seed germination and they started growing crops. Where exactly they started growing crops? Near the river banks, because the water is very important to grow any kind of a plant or any kind of a crops. So they had understood that to grow any plant or any crop, water is must. So they started living near the river banks. So when they started growing crops, what is the major change that changed in early humans' life is, they started living in one place and again they started growing the plants are growing the crops, and in the crop section whatever they like to eat, they started that only growing as a crop or as a plants. Okay, I hope everyone understood the lesson. So everyone please open your volume. Yes. So we are in the lesson of block 14, types of food. So in that we have as S1 history of cultivation. Cultivation means what I told, growing crops, Nana. So don't forget to write the date. So first question is what here we have, where did early humans get food from? Fill in the word web. So where did early humans find food? How they find the food? Yes, so they hunted animals, they gathered nuts, fruits and berries, moved from one place to another to chase the animals, to hunt the animals, and they collected berries and special leaves from the forest, right? How did early humans begin to grow food? So now only I told you know the answer, you write your answer, okay? How did growing food change the life of the early humans? I told that two major changes happened in early humans' life. What is the one thing? They started growing crops, and another one is they started living in one place. They started living near to the river banks. This is a major two changes which we can observe in early humans' life, right? So everyone, I hope you understood the lesson. Okay? Okay, thank you, and don't forget to read the textbook every time. You must read the textbook to understand the lesson, okay? Thank you.